So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in Task Manager. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on Run New Task. And then you want to tick Create this task with administrative privileges. And then click on Browse. And now once you're on this, you want to click on this PC. Click on your C drive. Scroll down. Click on Windows. Scroll down again. Click on System 32. Scroll down again until you find CMD. So here it is. You want to find CMD. You want to double click on it. Then it will appear here. And then you want to put a space and then type in -- update. Make sure that this is ticked and then click on OK. Now once you're on this, we're going to type in gp update space / force and then click on enter. Now for the second step, you want to head over to search again and type in Task Manager. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to look for Windows Explorer, or it might say Explorer.exe. You might need to scroll down to find it, but once you find it, you want to click on it and then click on Restart Task. Now for the next step, you want to head over to search again and type in Edit Power Plan. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on Change Advanced Power Settings. And then you want to scroll down and you want to expand PCI Express. And then you want to expand Link State Power Management. You want to change the setting to off and then click on OK. Now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on this PC. Then you want to find the drive where you have Windows installed on. It's probably going to be on your C drive. So you want to right click on it, click on Properties, and then click on Tools. And then under Error Checking, you want to click on Check. And then click on Scan Drive. Now for the next step, you want to head over to search again and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on Yes. Now once you're on this, we're going to type in sfc space / scan now and then click on Enter. Then you want to run this scan. And for the next step, we're going to head over to search again and type in Device Manager. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to expand Display Adapters. Then you want to right click on your graphics card and click on Update Driver. And then click on Search Responsive for drivers. Make sure they have the latest drivers installed. Now for the next step, you want to head over to search again and type in Check for Updates. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on Check for Updates and do the updates the computer may have. Now you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.